Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Chemical Guy's Torx Orbital Polisher. If your car has many deep scratches, this may be the best car polisher for you. This is a high-speed buffer that offers an RPM speed up to 7,800, which is enough to buff out any imperfections capable of buffing. Torx is the perfect first machine polisher for any detailing enthusiast or starting professional. Whether you have one garage queen, 2 daily drivers, or a fleet of customers' cars to care for, the Torx executes every detailing job quickly and easily, and with better results than going by hand alone. The powerful motor, 8mm dual-action orbital throw, and compact design deliver powerful and consistent polishing, paint correction, and cleaning results with minimal fatigue and wear on the user. Variable speed controls allow the user to adjust the power output on the fly. Take on aggressive scratch and oxidation removal, scrub spills and stains. The extended comfort front handle grip, tailored body length, and 5 backing plate size maximize leverage and polishing efficiency, and minimize the pressing force needed to polish paint effectively. Our second best car polisher is Avid Power Car Polisher. The Avid Power Car Buffer has a rubber body so that it doesn't slip in your hands, and it comes with detailed instructions to help you determine which of the 6 speeds to use for the imperfection you're trying to buff out. This car buffer also comes with all of the tools you need for application, including a foam disc, detachable handle, spanner, hex wrench, and foam pads. The rubberized body and adjustable handle provide you with comfortable grip feeling and non-slip control while in use. This car polisher is fairly easy to use as its dual-action random orbital motion ensures a swirl-free and burn-absent buffing result, delivers better performance than ordinary polishers. Perfect for polishing and removing swirls, scratches, and defects from all painted vehicles, reappearing the shine of your car. There are 3 different colors representing different cutting forces. Yellow is for heavy cut. Orange is for medium cut. Black is for light cuts. For details, let's watch more. Third in our list is DeWalt DWP-849X Polisher. The car polisher features powerful, 12-amp, all-ball bearing construction for long life and performance for the most demanding applications. Electronic module of the variable speed polisher maintains specified speed under load, delivering better finish results. Conveniently located variable speed dial of DeWalt polisher lets users set maximum speed from 0 to 600 or 3,500 revolutions per minute for different materials and applications. Variable speed trigger allows user to control speed from 0 to dialed maximum setting. Heat treated, precision cut steel gears for smooth operation. Wool ingestion shields eliminate wool ingestion, increasing tool life and reducing service costs. Non-mar rubber gear case cover reduces surface imperfections and improves gripping surface. The DWP-849X's light 6.7 pound weight that allows you to polish and finish surfaces over longer run times and at various angles. Additionally, it comes with a 3-position bail handle along with a traditional side handle, expanding the number of gripping options to best tackle the project at hand. The rear handle is ergonomically sculpted with a rubber overmold to further improve comfort, and the non-marring rubber gear case cover helps to minimize finish scratches or scuff marks, combining the best of form and function for any polishing needs. Number 4 in our best car polisher list is WEN 6010 Polisher. With the best amount of power this little random orbit machine offers, it's rather impressive that the 6-inch WEN car waxer polisher comes with such an affordable price tag. With a 120-volt motor that runs at 3,500 revolutions per minute, this is a good quality random orbit buffer, with users noting that it is lightweight and easy to use with one hand, feels heavy and well made, very maneuverable, making the job of waxing my car extremely easy and fast, and an absolute steal. The ergonomically contoured palm and body grip increases accuracy and control, while the random orbital technology provides a streak-free shine to the finish of your car. WEN invented random orbital technology decades ago and has been perfecting the complexities and idiosyncrasies of the waxer ever since. Now, years later, we come to you with the durable and affordable 6-inch waxer and polisher. Delicate enough for any paint job or finish, powerful enough for any stain or blemish. Just grab your favorite wax and hit the driveway. The WEN 6-inch random orbital waxer works great for all types of surfaces, from the garage to the kitchen to the bathroom to the banister. Vanquish any unwanted dirt or grime from your life, leaving nothing behind but a clean and reflective shine. Our last pick is Black & Decker WP900 Orbit Polisher. This car polisher was designed with ergonomics in mind. It's lightweight, which means you don't have to worry about holding up a heavy machine. It also has 2 handles, allowing you to buff from all angles. As with other tools on our list, this buffer is backed by a warranty. If it stops working within 2 years, you can contact the company for a replacement. In addition to the warranty, the Black & Decker buffer comes with a foam applicator and polishing bonnets. Comfortable and easy to use, this random orbit car polisher and waxer helps you buff, polish, and wax with ease. Random orbit action offers a swirl-free finish. Includes foam applicator bonnet and wool polishing bonnet. The included foam applicator bonnet is ideal for applying wax to surfaces. The wool applicator bonnet is great for applying polish and buffing your surface to fine, gleaming finish. Random orbit action assures a uniform finish fast for the car polisher. Comfortable 2-handle design of the variable speed polisher reduces fatigue.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!